Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage UK companies need more effective boards of directors. First 27 to 33 questions are to choose the correct headings for different paragraphs. First is paragraph A. Let's see in the paragraph. Following the 2008 financial meltdown, which resulted in a deeper and more prolonged period of economic downturn than anyone expected, the search for explanations in the many post-mortems of the crisis has meant blame has been spread far and wide. Governments, regulators, central banks and auditors have all been in the frame. The role of bank directors and management and their widely publicized failures have been extensively picked over and examined in reports, inquiries and commentaries. So यहाँ पे बताया है कि प्रॉब्लम के लिए सभी जिम्मेदार हैं. So its heading is option 4, many external bodies being held responsible for problems. Next is paragraph B. Let's see in the paragraph. The knock-on effect of this scrutiny has been to make the governance of companies in general an issue of intense public debate and has significantly increased the pressures on and the responsibilities of directors. स्क्रूटनी मतलब क्लोज इंस्पेक्शन की वजह से गवर्नमेंट एंड कंपनीज पे प्रेशर हुआ और डायरेक्टर्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ गई. सो इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2, द इम्पैक्ट ऑन कंपनीज ऑफ बीइंग सब्जेक्टेड टू क्लोज एग्जामिनेशन. नेक्स्ट इज पैराग्राफ सी. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. Often board business is developed to committees in order to cope with the workload, which may be more efficient but can mean that the board as a whole is less involved in fully addressing some of the most important issues. कमिटीज बनाने का मतलब ये है कि पूरा बोर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यूज सॉल्व करने में इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता. सो इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन 6, अ रिस्क दैट नॉट ऑल डायरेक्टर्स टेक पार्ट इन सॉल्विंग मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स. नेक्स्ट इज पैराग्राफ डी. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. There are obvious risks to this and it would be important to establish clear guidelines for such a board to ensure that it did not step on the toes of management by becoming too engaged in the day-to-day running of company. Boards के लिए guidelines होनी चाहिए कि वो खुद कंपनी के day-to-day work में involve रहे. So its answer is option 8, a proposal to change the way board operates. Next is paragraph A. Let's see in the paragraph. One of the main criticism of boards and their directors is that they do not focus sufficiently on longer-term matters of strategy, sustainability and governance, but instead concentrate too much on short-term financial metrics. Boards and directors long-term की बजाय short-term matters पर ज़्यादा focus करते हैं. So its answer is option 7, boards not looking far enough ahead. Next question is paragraph F. Let's see in the paragraph. Compensation for chief executives has become a combat zone where pitched battles between investors, managements and board members are fought, often behind closed doors. आपस में इनकी battles होती हैं. So its answer is option 1, disputes over financial arrangements regarding senior managers. Next is paragraph G. Let's see in the paragraph. Boards of companies in all sectors will need to widen their perspective to encompass these issues and this may involve a realignment of corporate goals. So its answer is option 3, the possible need for fundamental change in every area of business. Next 34 to 37 questions are yes, no and not given. First question is, close scrutiny of the behavior of boards has increased since the economic downturn. Economic downturn से boards के behavior की close scrutiny में increase हुआ है. Let's see in the paragraph. The role of bank directors and management and their widely publicized failures have been extensively picked over and examined in reports, inquiries and commentaries. So its answer is yes. Next question is not given. Next question is, boards meetings normally continue for as long as necessary to debate matters in full. बोर्ड की बैठकें आमतौर पर तब तक चलती हैं जब तक मुद्दों पर पूरी तरह से चर्चा नहीं हो जाती. Let's see in the paragraph. Agendas can become overloaded and this can mean the time for constructive debate must necessarily be restricted in favor of getting through the business. Agendas का बोझ ज्यादा हो सकता है और इसका मतलब ये हो सकता है कि रचनात्मक बहस के लिए समय को सीमित करना पड़े ताकि कार्यवाही पूरी की जा सके. So its answer is no. Next question is, using a committee structure would ensure that board members are fully informed about significant issues. कमेटी संरचना का उपयोग ये सुनिश्चित करेगा कि बोर्ड के सदस्य महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों के बारे में पूरी तरह से जानकारी रखें. Let's see in the paragraph. Often board business is devolved to committees in order to cope with the workload, which may be more efficient but can mean that the board as a whole is less involved in fully addressing some of the most important issues. अक्सर कार्यभार संभालने के लिए बोर्ड के कार्यों को समितियों को सौंप दिया जाता है, जो अधिक प्रभावी हो सकता है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि पूरा बोर्ड कुछ सबसे महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों को पूरी तरह से संबोधित करने में कम शामिल रहता है. So its answer is no. Next 38 to 40 questions are to complete the sentences. First question is, before 2008, non-executive directors were at a disadvantage because of their lack of something. 2008 से पहले गैर कार्यकारी निदेशक कुछ कमी के कारण नुकसान में थे. Let's see in the paragraph. However, more professional and better informed boards would have been particularly appropriate for banks where the executives had access to information that part-time non-executive directors lacked. हालांकि अधिक पेशेवर और बेहतर सूचित बोर्ड विशेष रूप से बैंकों के लिए उपयुक्त होते, जहां कार्यकारी अधिकारियों के पास वो इन्फॉर्मेशन होती थी जो अंशकालिक गैर कार्यकारी निदेशकों के पास नहीं होती थी. So its answer is information. Next question is, boards tend to place too much emphasis on something considerations that are only of short-term relevance. बोर्ड आमतौर पर ऐसे पहलुओं पर जरूरत से ज्यादा जोर देते हैं जिनका महत्व केवल शॉर्ट टर्म होता है. Let's see in the paragraph. One of the main criticisms of boards and their directors is that they do not focus sufficiently on longer-term matters of strategy, sustainability and governance, but instead concentrate too much on short-term financial metrics. So its answer is financial. Next question is, on certain matters, such as pay, the board may have to accept the views of something. कुछ मामलों में, जैसे कि वेतन, बोर्ड को किसी और के विचारों को स्वीकार करना पड़ सकता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Many would argue that this is in the interest of transparency and good governance as shareholders use their muscle in the area of pay to pressure boards to remove underperforming chief executives. So its answer is shareholders. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.